Hey friends, how to fix this DNS Pro Finish bad config error on your PC and laptop? First of all, close this error window and just connect your Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, my Wi-Fi connection successfully connected. Just after you connect, just open your search and type here control panel. As you can see, just open it and here you can change the icon size. Select small icon. Adjust open network and sharing center. Select your Wi-Fi connection and just click on properties, and here you can select internet protocol version 4 and just click on properties, and by default set obtain an IP address automatically. Just select use the following DNS server addresses. Next, alternative DNS server, just here you can type and then press OK. Close this all window and now you can check your internet connection working or not. If not working this method, follow the second method. Just open search and type here cmd and click on run as administrator, as you can see, and type here ipconfig space / release. Press enter button on your keyboard, scroll down little bit and just type here ipconfig space / and type flash DNS and then press enter button on your keyboard. Again type here ipconfig space / and type here renew and then press enter button on your keyboard and type here netsh space windshock reset and then press enter button on your keyboard. And now close this window and restart your PC or laptop and just click start, and just here you can see restart button. I hope your problem is resolved. Hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know comment below. I will be back again another new video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. So yeah guys.